Welcome to lesson 9, and we are learning the long E sound. So that's an E and an F together, and it makes a long E sound. And I'll give you an example. I see 3 bees. Now, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to read these sentences. B. Fee. C. Bean. Scene. Feed. Deed. Need. Free. Keep. Deep. Seam. Seek. Peak. Week. Weep. Weed. Feet. Seed. Green. Sheet. Sheep. Sweet. W, E, P, sweep. T, E, Th, teeth. And now some words are going to come up on the screen and we can read them together. B, E, B. F, E, fee. S, E, C. V, E, V. B, E, N, bean. F, R, E, free. S, E, N, seen. F, E, T, feet. D, E, D, deed. D, E, P, deep. S, E, P, seep. S, E, K, seek. P, E, K, peak. W, E, K, week. B, R, E, D, breed. F, R, E, D, freed. S, sh, E, t, sheet. G, R, E, D, greed. G, R, E, N, green. Sh, E, N, sheen. S, W, E, P, sweep. T, E, Th, teeth. S, L, E, P, sleep. K, R, E, P, creep. K, R, E, K, creek. G, R, E, T, greet. Okay, well done. Now let's read the sentences. The green sheet is free. I peep deep into the green weeds. I did not see the 3 sheep last week. The geese had green teeth. I need a deep sleeve for my feet. The eels will flee if you see them. I am not keen on the deep creek. Well done, that's the end of the long E lesson. And I'm going to leave those on at the end for you so that you can copy them out, because that really helps. And the next sound that we are going to do is the long I, which is spelled I-G-H or I-G-H. And don't forget, if you do need some great resources to help you with learning these sounds, you can visit my store on teachers.com. Just look for Catch Up Learning and that will take you straight to my store. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.